Hey guys, gonna do a video. It's Saturday, Labor Day weekend. CFR Performance is doing a 25% off your entire website. And if you use my promotion code capital TA space life, all caps, you get an extra 5%. So if you guys remember, they have this nasty pursuit car. It's all-wheel drive, and that's everything in the kit. So they are sending me a kit so I can do a review on it. I'll let you guys know, but just to look at mine, it's exactly the same thing. We've been talking and working together. So as you see, there's the bracket, or I'm sorry, the mounting for the supercharger. And I know this is dirty because, you know, I drive the shit out of this car. There's the pulley system. So I gotta clean her up. It's been a while. It was raining all day yesterday when I was driving her, so I just want to let you guys know that they got good savings right now and their product's really good. So like I said, once I get the product, I'm gonna do another review on it, show you guys hand to hand that it's exactly the same as what I got on there, and go from there. And it also comes with the little block off caps for the map sensor. So I know she's dirty, gotta clean her up, but if you guys got any questions, hit me up on my email, which I'll leave in the description. I'll post their website and everything. Like always, guys, thanks for watching.